This is a demo of Jarvis AI. Jarvis is an artificial intelligence driven copywriting tool, and it's really pretty awesome. I have tried the starter package. Starts at $29 per month and gives you a number of free words, up to 20,000 words, I believe, um, under that starter plan, or you can upgrade to the boss mode and get more words as well as some other features. I tried a blog article and did it for my e-commerce website, which was about 1,000 words under the starter plan, and found it really easy to do, and took me 15 to 20 minutes probably start to finish for a 1,000-word blog article. And I did have to proofread, and there were a few duplication errors, some minor things like that I had to fix, but overall it went really well, and I do recommend it. So yeah, so it's a free trial for, I believe it's 5 days or so for the starter plan. It's about $1 per month for every 1,000 words you add, plus or minus, and you can add more and more. When you do go to the boss mode, you get longer form document AI writing, versus sort of the starter plan gives you short bursts of paragraphs and a few less features. So here's the dashboard for Jarvis, and this is AI content creation software that's pretty simple to use. So what it shows you is basically a dashboard where you can upgrade your plan, for example, add more credits to get you more words. Again, you start with 20,000 words for the free starter plan at about $29 US a month. And yeah, you can get more credits, and it'll show you the number of words you've used. Right now I've generated just under 1,000 words. It's actually a bit more than that. And yeah, I'll show you. So you go into documents, and I created a blog article for my e-commerce website, basically called "What Vegetables Do Best in Canadian Greenhouses." I sell greenhouses, for example, in this blog article. So what you do is pretty simple. Again, you start by adding a title, and it will basically scan the title for keywords and generate content based on that. You put a bit more of a content description in more detail. In this case, I referred to greenhouse growing vegetables in Canada using greenhouses. That is a bit repetitive, obviously, but it does pick up on the greenhouse word, as well as vegetables, as well as growing. So you might want to add some more words that are descriptive in the keyword section if you want to target the content towards either the greenhouse itself or the vegetables, or plants, for example. These are the things that you might want to kind of focus on. So and the output length, longer, medium, or short. So I went with medium. It was about 1,000 words, and the content was really good. Again, there was some duplication. They used the word greenhouse like too many times, a few times. They do generate copy that goes into paragraphs, but I found that I'd have to either break up these paragraphs if they're a little long, or create my own paragraphs. But the copy was overall very good. There weren't really any spelling mistakes or even grammatical mistakes. And I haven't formatted this, but you could make headings and break it up into bolds and lists and so on. But I didn't, for the purpose of this test, I didn't do that. I basically cut and paste this into my e-commerce website. So pretty impressive. Lots of copy. It would just endlessly write more copy, and at the end, if you needed more, you just hit compose where the cursor is, and it would generate more copy. So it would then sort of cut off, like as you can see, seedlings should also be regularly spaced out, but there is no period there, so you've got to kind of help it along. But if you wanted to, talk about something new with greenhouses like shade covering, you just start typing is important. And once the blue button in the bottom left goes blue from green, you can then generate more copy based on, shade covering. Again, it picked up vegetables, which is, pretty accurate. So in Canada, these are the vegetables that do best, and I think this is all relatively true. And again, it'll stop, and at the end of where it runs out of words to find or generate content, or so you have to put periods and so on. Anyway, overall, pretty amazing software. I would like the ability to add royalty-free photos, in with the content. I find when I write blogs, generally I like pictures as well as words. So that's just a nice to have. Maybe they'll add it at some point in the future. But overall, definitely a good piece of software, and I would definitely use it again. So yeah, try the free trial and check the description for a link. Thanks for watching.